Ordering a breast pump shouldn't feel like solving a riddle. If you've heard 5 different answers from friends, HR, and your insurer, you're not alone. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through when to order, how to confirm coverage, exactly what to ask for, and how to get the right pump before your due date without endless phone trees. Quick win right now. Open your insurance app or website and search breast pump benefits. Write down 2 things. Do they ship directly or through a DME or durable medical equipment vendor? And when you're eligible to order. Some plans allow between 28 to 32 weeks, some after delivery. Knowing these two saves you an hour of back and forth. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse and your expert postpartum coach. Here's our map for today. Coverage basics, the order timeline, what type of pump to request, the exact call script, how the DME process works, flange fit and output, spare parts and warranty plan, cleaning and storage basics, return to work setup, troubleshooting, and your next steps. So take a good, nice deep breath and let's get down to it. If you are a first-time mom who thrives in her career, I have something special for you. Get access to my exclusive resource hub for career moms for pregnancy and 4th trimester needs. It contains checklists, planners, PDFs, and everything you need to ace your 4th trimester. The link is below. Coverage basics. Most employer and marketplace plans covers a breast pump as part of their preventive care benefits. Coverage varies. Some pay for the purchase of a new double electric, others cover a rental, which is helpful for NICU or supply issues, and some limit the brand or model. Many plans also cover replacement parts and a limited number of lactation visits. Key idea: coverage exists, but rules differ. So you confirm how, when, and through whom. When to order and how to time it. Best practice: initiate the process at 28 to 32 weeks to ensure the pump arrives before delivery. If your plan ships after birth, pre-register with the vendor now so they can ship the day the baby arrives. Ask your OB doctor to add a note like "Anticipate double electric breast pump." It makes forms faster. What type to request? Double electric. Baseline for most working moms. Efficient and practical. Hospital grade rental. Consider if you have a preterm or a NICU baby. Baby can't latch or you need to build supply quickly. Rental is often covered short term with a doctor's note. A wearable or portable. Convenient for mobility, but some plans don't fully cover. Check if there's an upgrade fee you're comfortable with. Manual. Keep as backup for car trips or quick relief. Ask if storage bags, extra valves, and flanges are covered. Many plans include them.
The exact call script.
Hi, I'm calling to confirm breast pump benefits. Do you cover purchase of a double electric or rental? Which DME vendors do you use, or do you ship directly? When am I eligible to order? Now or after delivery? What documentation is required? Are replacement parts, storage bags, and lactation visits covered? If vendor is required, please send the authorized vendor list, the order form, and let me know which models are fully covered versus the upgrades. How the DME vendor process works. You'll either A. Order through your insurer's portal, they ship directly, or B. Choose a DME vendor like Aeroflow, Edgepart, and others that verifies benefits, shows covered pumps, and ships. The steps are simple. Upload your doctor's note if required. Choose a covered model in stock. Confirm address plus due date. Then get an order number and ship date. Set a 3-day follow-up reminder. If a model is back ordered, ask for a temporary rental or pick a comparable in-stock unit. Flange fit and output. Depends more on fit than brand. A quick guide. After pumping a minute or two, your nipple moves freely in the tunnel without rubbing the sides, and you see more gentle pulling than a tug of war. If your areola is getting dragged deep into the tunnel, the size is too big. If your nipple is scraping, the size is too small. Many moms require smaller flanges than the standard size. Comfort matters. Warm compress for a minute before. Start with low suction and increase slowly, and relax your shoulders if output suddenly drops. Check valves and the membranes. Worn parts are usually the cause of these issues. Spare parts and warranty plan. Make a tiny parts kit now so you're not panicking later. Valves and membranes. Replace every 4 to 8 weeks, sooner with heavy use. Duct bills. Replace if they look warped or output dips. Tubing. Replace if cloudy or with moisture you can't clear. Backflow protectors. Replace if tearing or losing seal. Bottles and storage bags. Keep a small extra stash. Check your pump's warranty window. Often they're about 1 to 2 years. Snap a photo of the serial number and save the purchase or the benefit confirmation email in a folder called Pump Plus Parts. Future you will thank you. Cleaning and storage basics. For daily life, rinse parts that touch the milk. Then wash with warm soapy water, rinse well, and air dry on a clean rack. Follow your hospital or provider guidance on safety. For sanitizing, especially in the early weeks or for preemies, use a microwave steam bag or boiling method as recommended by the manufacturer. Label the milk by date and store towards the back of the fridge. Warm milk in a bowl of warm water. No microwave. There could be hot spots. Calm system equals to calmer feeds. Return to work setup. Email HR before you return. I'll need a reasonable break time to pump and a private, non-bathroom space. I expect to pump around, and then you tell the scheduled times that you're planning to do it. Please confirm the room location and access. Create a work kit. This includes a pump, parts in a zip bag, some spare valves, hands-free bra, wipes, a cooler with a nice pack, and a small sign for the door. At work, aim for pumping every 3 hours at first. Your schedule will settle as your baby routine stabilizes. Troubleshooting and appeals. Denied coverage? Request a written policy and appeal procedure. Emphasize preventive care coverage and any medical needs noted by your doctor. Vendor delays? Request a temporary rental or switch to a model that's in stock. Wrong model shipped? Call the same day. Most vendors will exchange unopened boxes. Low output? Recheck the flange size. Replace valves and add a few hands-on compressions. And consider one power pump session if advised by your doctor. Don't forget to grab the free resource hub for career moms for your postpartum or pregnancy checklist and printable cheat sheets. Link is below. Your pump is a tool, not another stressor. Now that you know the coverage, timeline, and setup, you are ready. Next, watch this video so you can use your pump wisely, protect supply, and keep nights calm, especially if you'll combo feed. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.